Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the change is smooth and persistent. Make sure your watch has more than 50% battery and is paired via Bluetooth. This prevents interruptions. Once paired, locate the Watch Settings app or the phone's Smartwatch companion app and open the watch face or appearance section. You're not just tapping, you're creating the environment where the image will transfer and render correctly. So confirm image dimensions and connectivity before proceeding to pick the wallpaper file. Now you select and prepare the image itself. From the Gallery or Files app, tap the photo, then choose Edit or Crop so the focal point sits in the center. This prevents clipping by watch widgets. Use the Crop Tool preset for square or specific watch resolution and make small adjustments for readability. Once cropped, preview on the watch or in the companion app. If the icon or text overlaps, slightly shift the crop or lower brightness so watch complications remain legible. Apply the image and start syncing. Tap Set or Apply in the watch or companion app and allow the transfer to finish. Once done, check the watch face and confirm complications and time remain readable. If they don't, recrop and reapply. If the wallpaper fails to appear, restart the watch and reopen the companion app to force a resync. Make sure the app has storage and Bluetooth permissions. Resolving those common permission issues typically fixes failed transfers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.